Everything on the internet's a scam. Everything's a scam, and everybody around me, Heather, that's a scam. That's a scam. Like, oh, they're just going to have one course. It's going to be 2 hours and it's going to be done. Like, I think it comes from just American skepticism, it's much bigger in America than it is elsewhere, but I subscribe. When pulling back the curtain, it's the farthest thing from, like, it's not even close. There's such a robustness to it of the program, how robust. But I think my impression is that everything's so organized. And very straightforward as far as Brandon, like the technology. It's like boom, 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 like everything that needs to go through, and very specific, like get this. Okay, makes it easy, like what I need to do. And I'm just very impressed with the team and just the thoroughness and the materials and how it's organized. It's very professional. I'm also in the corporate world, so it's as professional as I see lots of large companies have. So I'm very impressed.